What is Hamster Kombat? Before we get right into this, I've heard many people say they are mining Hamster Kombat. After doing my research, I discovered that Hamster Kombat is not a mining platform. Rather, it is a Telegram based crypto game where players are rewarded with free tokens when they complete tasks in the game. The team behind Hamster Kombat is led by Alex Smith, a blockchain developer and gaming enthusiast with a background in software development and cryptocurrency projects. With that being said, Hamster Kombat is more of a play to earn game and not a mining platform. Mining requires solving complex cryptographic puzzles to validate blocks. We actually have a video about mining that you might like to check out. Let's continue. This game includes activities like daily combo, daily cipher, mini games, and referral systems. When these activities are completed, you are rewarded with tokens. What can you do with the earned tokens? These tokens are considered in game currency for now, meaning you can only use them within the system until the Hamster Combat token is officially launched, which they plan to do. How does this benefit the players and the developers? Players get rewarded based on their participation and will benefit when the coin is launched. Players with more tokens now are likely to receive more tokens upon launch. For the developers, it fosters a community as the number of players keeps increasing. One of their tasks is to have players watch their YouTube videos and follow them on X. This community might provide significant liquidity when the coin is launched. To wrap it up, Hamster Combat is currently a play to earn game. They look forward to adding airdrops in the near future, with rewards being granted to users when the coin is launched. We hope we kept things as simple as a walk in the park. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.